Katnat Pulit jungko jela Meghalaya kasi balang jungko tayau kala register mokot duma persya ya kawi ke briew ke balai puis nam karta. Namar ke jingnya bean bat pyndonkam bakla ya ke kali Pulit klaim dayu jingbit. Kani ke briew ke di ke kong PB Dale Smith nongrum wasong basa hapok se North Shillong.
Dia Pulit misuse sekali MLG itu. Misuse. Petip kan? Petip melihat punya.
Dah besar tu tak tahu. Ni
Kali kan dia MLG itu. Mana banyak? Pulit ni belum banyak ni. Misuse. Misuse sekali. Misuse.
Okay.
Misuse. Kini kan dia zero. I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind.
Are you done? Are you done
You
with
break
that?
the rule, yeah. You
Okay,
break the
are you
rule.
done?
I don't mind.
Are you done? You said misuse, right?
Yeah, you misuse.
What's the
yeah.
word you use that misuse?
Misuse, yeah.
All right.
Kani ke briew kala sahabat lagi nong song snong kathan dan keti ha kamiat arp santrip uyayong namar gajing keno bakatenra ekowe kali ha kathan daka kali bolero kabalanya kabadairu kakali Pulit kabadanu number ML not R not Sau iwe hinriu katkum gajing itu jong Assistant Inspector General of Police A uba JK yang rai ya ka kong PB Dale Smith nongrum la register makot duma ha kathanat lat mkra halor ka kendon bakanya klem jengbet banyak turmur ya ka kali gi Pulit. Lawan kedua hang ni baka kong Phoebe ke dairu ke kentai ke benden kong nak katan cita lam mingi ke belas sajid banyak kali hapok ke kenhon formula IGB4. Halor kini ke jingja menteri rangba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma bad usembut menteri rangba ke jelau ba Preston Tunsong. Ulih tu baka sarkar kalau hukum iki bor kemi bagi dewan penlong ya ke jing toket halor ke jing pyndonkam bakla ke kong Phoebe Dale Smith nongrom ya ke kali ki Pulit ke jela. Hagajuk kepor kiloong bakaan kan yat hala kejong gelenti persya ikinu gi breu ki bapen ken ne pyndonkam bakla ki curfew pass laki de ki kali sarkar ne ki kali jeng kiriu shimet.
Then I should wear your uniform and you should leave the uniform here and go home then. You know that? It doesn't work like that, right? Exactly. It doesn't work like that, right? So I want the names of those people who were there at the check post at the Hangiti right now. You have to get me the right information, right? Is that your job or my job? Is it my job? Then I will go and do my job. Alright? You give me your uniform, I will do my job. I will do your job for you actually. I will take your uniform, I will put it and will find out who was available at that check post at that point of time, who was blaming me. I will take the names and I will write it down on your behalf.
you ask.
Right?
I will not.
Yeah. So please take out your uniform because you're useless.
Yes, I'm aware about the case, and of course, as per law, action will be taken. But I think, the police forces and others need not be demoralized. The law will take its action as per the law. But I think it's a case which is like any other case, and it's not something that needs to be discussed publicly. But as I said, let me assure everybody that whatever the decision is, will be taken as per law.
Be it illiterate, be it literate, be it anybody, whoever, I'm telling you, law has to prevail. Justice ultimately has to prevail. That's what I'm telling you. I'm sending the message once again. Please don't misuse any official vehicles.